Hi, still on the myth. I'm Benedict. Do you have microwave ovens in your house? How do you use them? And have you heard people saying microwave ovens do cause cancer or microwaves cause cancer? How true is this? We've all heard about it. Let's get to know more today. The myth likely started when people associated heat and radiation with destruction. Since microwaves use radiation to cook food and many assume it is damaging the food at a molecular level. This is what brought about people thinking um, microwaves do cause cancer. But here's what most people don't realize: microwaves make use of non ionizing radiation, which is not the same as harmful radiation from X ray or nuclear energy. All forms of cooking can break down some nutrients, but microwaving is actually one of the best methods for preserving them. I, I think we were all surprised to get to know this, but that's the truth. The shorter the cooking time, the less water used, and the more nutrients are retained. And visibly, microwaves use, a very short time in getting things done or in getting food cooked. So let's look at the science behind microwaving the nutrients. A study by Harvard Medical School states that microwaving retains more nutrients than boiling, frying, or even baking because it cooks food quickly and uses little to no water. There's another from the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition, which was done in 2018. The study compared different methods of cooking: boiling, steaming, frying, and microwaving. And this also came out with microwaving preserving more vitamins and antioxidants in vegetables. And there's also another Spanish study that was conducted in the year 2003, and they made use of broccoli. And they also claimed that 90% microwaving destroyed 97% of broccoli's antioxidants. But later, these studies found this was only true when larger amounts of water, were used. If microwaving was done and there's little water, it wouldn't cause so much harm. So the broccoli retained most of its nutrients when little water was used. Conclusion from all these studies: microwaving is actually one of the best ways to cook food while keeping its nutrients intact. So don't be deceived by the myth that microwaves do cause cancers. Which cooking method causes food to lose most of its nutrients? The first one is boiling. The second one is frying, baking or roasting. We have steaming, and the last one is microwaving. So the bottom line here is microwave takes away the least nutrients through its process of cooking. So the myth about microwaving causing cancers and the others isn't true. And now let's look at how to use microwave the right way. Use less water, cook for shorter times, use microwave safe containers, use prescribed containers for the microwave, and cut food in smaller pieces in order to get them cooked as quickly as possible. Now let's debunk the whole thing. Microwaving does not cause cancers. It actually preserves more nutrients than the other traditional methods of cooking. Microwaving is safe, fast, and one of the best ways to retain food and its nutrients. The key is to use little water and not to overcook the food item. Did you also believe this myth, and did you also hear about it? Reply in the comment section and let's have more conversations about this. Thanks once again.